Good evening, dear student. Due to my camera problem, I am unable to complete this class. So please see it. This one is part 3. This is part 3 videos. So what happened here? Please see it. Oh, आप सब लोग इसको मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, प्लस लाइक शेयर कीजिए, प्लस कमेंट लिख लीजिए. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक छूट गया, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ तो आप लोग मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर कमेंट कीजिए. ठीक है. So this is the configuration. This is the molecular configuration. This is not atomic configuration. This is a molecular configuration. Energy level diagram. So electrons are distributed. That is sigma 1s has 2 electron. I put here 2 electron. Then sigma 1s anti-bonding 2 electron. This is 2 electron. Sigma 2s bonding 2 electron. Sigma 2s bonding 2 electron. There is sigma 2s anti-bonding 2 electron. And another thing 2px. Then 2px bonding. 2px bonding. 2px bonding pi 2px bonding 2 electron, pi 2px bonding 2 electron, another sigma 2pz bonding 2. So this is the electron distribution. Another things what happen here, bond order equal to bond order equal to nb minus na by 2. What is nb? nb means number of bonding electron. That is b वाला कितना है 1 2 3 4 5, that is 10, that is 10 electron. na का मतलब so अच्छा ठीक है, मैं can I wrap it? Okay. That is Na. Na means this number of anti-bonding electron equal to how many anti-bonding A wala, that is 2 electron, that is 2 4 electron, that is 4 equal to 4. Therefore bond order equal to nb minus na by 2, that is how many 10 minus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2 equal to 3. So the order of the bond between the nitrogen molecule is 3. So therefore n triple bond n, this is the bond. Clear people? Okay. So in this way you will find out bond order and magnetic property of the molecule. Clear? Next, bond order for homo. Acha, bond order another things, bond order related with bond energy and bond length. Bond order directly proportional to the bond energy. Clear? And inversely proportional to the bond length. Clear people? Inversely proportional to the bond length. Okay. So in case of homoatomic ion, so how you will arrange there? Say for example O2 minus O2, that is O2 plus O2 2 minus. For homoatomic ion, positive sign increases, bond order also increases. Positive sign directly proportional to the bond order. किसके साथ? For homoatomic ion. किसके लिए? For homoatomic ion. Clear? For homoatomic ion. Another things, O2 2 minus O2 plus, and so therefore O2 O2 2 minus less than O2 minus less than O2 less than O2 plus. Clear people? So this is the bond order increasing order. Bond order increasing bond order increases and here yes increases. Clear? So bond order increases left to right. Clear? Another things is different types of molecule is given. For example, say O2 2 minus O2 2 minus is N2 Cn minus, okay, Co. Among them which one is dimagnetic or paramagnetic? First you find out their molecule atomic number, total number of electrons, sorry. O2 that is 8 plus 8, 2 minus means 2 electron extra, that is 16. N2 का मतलब N means 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Cn का मतलब that is नाइट्रोजन इज 7 से और एक एग्जांपल लिख लीजिए आप लोग N2 माइनस, ओके. सो Cn माइनस 7 प्लस 6 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू कितना है 14. CO का मतलब 6 प्लस 8 इक्वल टू 14. N2 का मतलब 7 प्लस 7 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 15. So among the which one is paramagnetic? There is 3 even number. Okay, 1 is odd number. Sorry, 4 is even number. So odd number definitely paramagnetic. Or even number diamagnetic or paramagnetic, how will you find out? So you must distribute, you must write the molecular configuration, that is sigma 1 is bonding, sigma 1 is entering. After then distribution, then you will find out which one is diamagnetic or paramagnetic. Basically अगर आप लोगों ने लिख लिया जो 1 is bonding, लिखना ही पड़ेगा आपको, 2 sigma 1 is anti bonding, otherwise you are unable to find out which one is diamagnetic or which one is paramagnetic. Odd number, that is are you easily find out magnetic property there if number is odd number. This is paramagnetic. One is bonding, anti-bonding, then sigma 2s bonding, then sigma 2s anti-bonding, okay, then pi naught sigma 2pz bonding equal to, sorry, not equal to, pi 2px bonding equal to pi 2py bonding. How many? 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 8 8 electron, 10 12 14. That is 14 is diamagnetic in nature. 14 is diamagnetic in nature. So this one diamagnetic, this one diamagnetic, this one diamagnetic. Clear? 16. What happened in case 16? उसके बाद क्या आता है? Sigma pi 2px anti-bonding equal to pi 2py anti-bonding. 16 in case of 16. So 14 is finished. 14. Then 2 electron. One is here, another is here. Why? क्यों मैंने ऐसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया? Because according to Hund's law, if orbital is same orbital, 2 orbital present in same energy level, then you will distribute one in same spin. Then after the completion, you will, if some electron is present on your hand, then you will distribute again opposite spin from first to last. Clear? According to the Hund's law. So according to Hund's law, this one is unpaired in nature. So number 16, this one is paramagnetic. 15 and 16 both are paramagnetic in nature. That is O2 2 minus is paramagnetic, that is N2 minus is paramagnetic. Both the ions, molecular ions is paramagnetic in nature. Clear people? Okay. Next. Next topic is sigma bond and pi bond, overlap between the sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. So sigma bond, that is ss orbital, this one s orbital, this one is s orbital. Both the s orbital overlap to each other and form like this molecule. What? And form, clear? Ultimately this one goes like this structure. Okay, this is the s orbital, sn. Then sn p orbital, sn p orbital, that is this one is s, this one is p. So both the portion overlap to each other and form like this diagram, that is the sigma bond. So this is the p portion, this is the s portion. Clear, people? Next, pp overlap, that is this one is p orbital, this one is p orbital, this one also p orbital. So both are overlap to each other and form, okay, this is the p overlap, that is linear overlap. Clear? This is p, this one is p. Okay, another things, pi bond overlap. Pi, how form pi overlap? Both are pp, both are overlap to each other, this one like this. Okay, ultimately what happened? Okay, this is the pp overlap, this is pi bond. देखो यहाँ पर जो ब्रेकडाउन है ना, इसको कहता है नोड. क्या होता है? नोड, जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इक्वल टू 0. नोड, दिस वन ऑल्सो नोड. This one is node. Node basically two types. Node basically two types. One is angular node. Another is radial node. Actually node में क्या होता है? Node में electron density equal to 0. What? In node electron density equal to 0. That is electron in node. Node में क्या होता है? Electron density equal to equal to 0. Clear, people? So how will find out angular node, radial node? This one belongs to your structure of atom, this chapter. So I will discuss it again in structure of atom. So this is the finish. So how form sigma bond? This is the sigma bond overlapping process. S and p orbital. This is the SS. This is the ground energy. This is the ground level overlapping process. This is a higher stability, that is lesser energy. Pi bond, that is a higher energy orbital overlap together, come together and form a bonds. So this is the higher energy orbital overlapping process, and this one is less stable compared to sigma bond. Clear? Next. Another topic is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond, say, let you example H2 molecule, very prominent molecule, H, O, then H. Oxygen is electronegative, then hydrogen. So two electron is there, one is oxygen, another for hydrogen. So oxygen electronegative, this one try to take electron from the side of hydrogen, both side of hydrogen. Clear? So result, what happened? Hydrogen, oxygen, then hydrogen. So both the electrons shifted nearer to the oxygen atom. Clear? So what is the what happened after the shifting electron or increase of density on the surface of oxygen? Oxygen get a partially negative, this one is partially positive. So every H2 molecule shows similar kind of properties. So what I mean, oxygen is, every oxygen is partially negative, every hydrogen shows partially positive sign. Okay. Okay. So partially negative interact to the partially positive molecule. Partially negative interact to the partially positive. Okay. So this interaction force happen between the oxygen and hydrogen. That's why it is known as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. Clear, people? This is known as hydrogen bond. Okay. So this hydrogen bond depend on electronegativity of atoms. This hydrogen bond depend on electronegativity of atom. Hydrogen bond depend on H bond depend on directly depend on electronegativity of atoms. Clear, people? This hydrogen bond depend on electronegativity of atoms. Atoms is more electronegative, that is this atom has higher. There is more electronegative element shows more hydrogen bond. Clear? So HF, HCl, HBr, then HI. So HF has more hydrogen bond than HCl, then HBr. Clear? Another example, NH3, H2O, and HF. So nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, then fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. So this is the hydrogen bonding, H bond decreasing order, or it is, this one is increasing order. Clear? Okay. So this hydrogen bond divided two categories. Hydrogen bond divided two categories. One is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular H bond. Intramolecular H bond. Clear, people? One is intermolecular hydrogen bond, another is intramolecular. Intermolecular means more than one molecule involved for the formation of hydrogen bond. Clear? So here partially negative, partially positive. There is interaction forces here, that is more than one molecule. Maybe both the molecules same, maybe both the molecules different to each other, no matter. Intermolecular, that is one molecule, say OH, catechol. His name is catechol. That is this one, right, like this way, OH, that is OH. To interact to each other. Another we consider so all are separate to each other. Both the molecules separate to each other. What happens? If you consider intermolecular hydrogen bond, this is the container. So every circle represent a molecule. So all the molecule interact to each other. Clear? All the molecule interact to each other. So if you heat, so what happens? First this bond breaks and goes to the vapor state. That is, this one require much more energy for vaporization. Clear? Here what happened? If you consider every circle represent a molecule. So one circle not interact to the another circle. That is, one molecule does not interact to the another molecule. So what happens as a result? When you heat it, so molecule easily goes to the vapor state. That is, this one require less amount of energy. That is, this one has lower boiling point. Clear? So this intramolecular containing molecule shows less boiling point. The less boiling point. Clear? This one has more boiling point. More boiling point. Clear? This one is more boiling point, this one shows less. That means intramolecular hydrogen bond is lesser stable than the intermolecular hydrogen bond. Clear? Another important point, ice floats on the water surface. Why? Ice always floats on the water surface. Why? Actually, if you consider in H2 molecule, so hydrogen bond is there. When water presence in liquid state, that means water molecule moves to one side to another side, or here this one is vacant space. This one is vacant space. So in liquid state, this vacancy is filled up by another H2 molecule. Clear? But when you consider in solid H2 molecule, what happens? This vacant space cannot fill by another H2 molecule, because all the H2 molecule are rigid their own position. So if vacant, then this one is vacant. If filled, then that one is filled in solid state. So what happens in case of ice? In case of ice, sometimes we found some vacant space. Due to the vacant space, some air is there. Clear? So due to the presence of air, ice becomes a lighter compared to water molecule, because in water we cannot find such kind of vacant space, because this vacant space filled by the movable water molecule. Clear? But in ice, what happens? This vacant space cannot filled by another H2 molecule. That's why always ice floats on the water surface. Clear, people? Okay. Today's last topic, some bond angle of the different kinds of structure. Tetrahedral, क्या होता है? जो बॉन्ड एंगल है ना, और बैंड को भी से 109 डिग्री 5 मिनट होता है. क्या होता है? बॉन्ड एंगल 109 डिग्री 5 मिनट्स. ट्राइगोनल, this one like this, trigonal planar 120. Clear, people? स्क्वायर, उसके बाद क्या होता है? ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर. देन ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल. That is this one, trigonal बाइपिरामिडल. ओके. ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल क्या होता है? जो सेंटर है ना, सेंटर से 3 बॉन्ड, ये तीनों के तीनों एक ही प्लेन में होता है. ये तीनों एक ही प्लेन में होता है. क्लियर, दिस वन इज अबव द प्लेन, दिस वन इज डाउन द प्लेन। सो ये तीनों के बीच में 120 होता है एंगल, क्या होता है 120, ओके। और इनके बीच में जो एंगल होता है ना ये 90 होता है, क्या है 90। क्लियर, क्लियर पीपल। ट्राइगोनल बाई पिरामिडल। अनदर थिंग स्क्वायर प्लेनर। स्क्वायर प्लेनर में क्या होता है, स्क्वायर प्लेनर, स्क्वायर प्लेनर, स्क्वायर प्लेन में क्या होता है, दिस इज द स्क्वायर प्लेन, स्क्वायर प्लेन नहीं ये ऑक्टाइडल लिख लीजिए। स्क्वायर प्लेन में तो 90 होता है, सबके सब 90 होता है, 90 होता है, 90 होता है। उसके बाद क्या है ऑक्टाइडल, ये अबव द प्लेन होता है, डाउन द प्लेन होता है, इनके बीच में भी 90 होता है, इनके बीच में भी 90 होता है। क्लियर। सो इन केस ऑफ यू consider octahedral, this one also shows 90-degree angle. Clear people? Next, another important diagram, this one comes very much time in your exam, pentagonal bipyramidal, pentagonal, pentagonal bipyramidal, पिरामिडल, ओके। इसका डायग्राम कैसा होता है, एग्जाम्पल है IF7, IF7, IF7 की डायग्राम, I यहाँ पर एक F, यहाँ पर एक, यहाँ पर एक F, क्लियर। थिंग आई फॉरगॉट इट, कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ पर छोड़ दीजिए। क्लियर, कितना हुआ 1 2 3 4 5, दैट इज 6, दिस वन इज 7। क्लियर। उनके बीच में जो एंगल है ना वो दो टाइप का होता है, एक 90 और एक 72। क्या होता है, एक 90 होता है 90, अनदर इज 72 एंगल होता है। क्लियर, आप इसको अच्छे से रट लेना। क्लियर, पक्का। So today I am trying to finish my class. तो एक्चुअली जो क्लास मैंने किया था और एक भी वीडियो आएगा इसके ऊपर, जो टॉपिक थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट बेस होगा वो भी। तो आई होप इसके ऊपर 4 वीडियोस हो रहा है, टोटल मिला के 4 वीडियोस होगा, वो सब टॉपिक बेस होगा। और उसका जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग, एंट्रेंस की क्वेश्चन, बोर्ड की क्वेश्चन कैसे मिलता है, बोर्ड की क्वेश्चन और स्कूल का, तो बोर्ड नहीं, स्कूल लेवल का एग्जाम होता है। तो स्कूल लेवल के लिए आप एनसीईआरटी का जो क्वेश्चन फाइल है, मैंने हर दिन एक ही बात कहता हूँ आप लोगों को, जो एनसीईआरटी का जो पीछे वाला जो फाइल है ना वो एबीसी में आंसर के साथ है, कोई दिनेश है तो दिनेश में भी आंसर के साथ है, प्लस दिनेश और एबीसी का आप जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन है वो अच्छे से देख लेना। आज कॉन्सेप्चुअल 2, पहले दिन तो कॉन्सेप्चुअल 1 था, सेकंड वाला दिन जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल 1 वो भी आप ठीक से देख लेना, और साथ में साथ जो एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है वो भी खत्म करना है। और अगर आपको पॉसिबल हो तो आप एमटीजी का क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर लीजिए। एमटीजी का जो 34 CR जो नीट बुक है ना, यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर टॉपिक खत्म हो गए, यहाँ पर कोई न्यूमेरिकल नहीं होगा, न्यूमेरिकल आते भी नहीं, वो आईआईटी में आते हैं, जीमेन में भी नहीं आते। तो आप लोग इतना घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं है केमिस्ट्री। केमिस्ट्री बहुत ईजी है, बहुत ईजी, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है। सो आप लोग इतना ज़्यादा डिप मत जाइए, मैं जितना पढ़ रहा हूँ बहुत काफ़ी है, इससे ज़्यादा और नहीं चाहिए। प्लस आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए, अगर आपको इस टॉपिक से जितना सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा और 34 ईयर्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो रहा है, तो मतलब उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए आपको, इससे डेप्थ भी नहीं चाहिए। क्लियर। सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू सी इट। तो रात को आज 12:20 हो गए, तो आई होप गुड मॉर्निंग। सो ऑल ऑफ यू वॉच इट, थैंक यू, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर भी कर दीजिए, थैंक यू।